Okay, let's continue on our Lewis structure journey. Let's do some more compounds. Okay, so I am going to just review a little bit. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all of the valence electrons. So look on the periodic table for the group number. Nitrogen's in group 5A, so it has 5. 1A, and this one is 7A. So I'm going to add them all up. And now I know how many electrons I'm dealing with. The element, remember the element closest to the middle of the periodic table go in the center of the molecule. Okay, so which one? Nitrogen, hydrogen, or bromine? Well, take a look, and you've got hydrogen, and then you've got nitrogen and bromine. Nitrogen is closer to the middle. So nitrogen in the middle, and then I arrange the other ones around it. If you put the Br up here or the Br down here, it is fine. Okay, I've calculated the total valence electrons. I need to calculate the total number. I've already done that. Each atom should have 8 surrounding it. Okay, so first of all I need to connect them. So let's connect. And now I have used 2, 4, 6 of my 14. I have used up 6 electrons. Okay, so I need 8. So I need to put 8 somewhere. I cannot put them on the hydrogens. Here I have 2, 4, 6, so I only can put 2 more. Over here I already have 2, so I can put these extra ones right here. So I should have 14 electrons. I like to count them by pairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. 7 times 2 gives me 14. Okay, does everything have an octet? 2, 4, 6, 8. This does. Hydrogens just need 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I know this is right. Okay, so now if there are not enough electrons, then make a double or a triple bond as needed. Okay, so let's see what I mean by do you need a triple or a double bond. First of all, gather up the number of total valence electrons. So I have 1, but I have 2 atoms, so I'll put 2 times 1. Carbon has 4, oxygen has 6, so I have 12 valence electrons. Which one goes in the middle? If you look at the periodic table, carbon does. So I'm going to put carbon in the middle, and now I have all of my atoms accounted for. Let's bond them together. Okay, so I have used up 6 electrons in bonding. If I take away 6 from bonds, that is going to leave me 6 electrons extra. So my extra ones, I'm going to put them first on the outside, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have all 12 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. 6 times 2 gives me 12. So I have all accounted for. Now, does everything have an octet? Hydrogens are okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oxygen's okay. This one, 2, 4, 6. Whoops. This one is not happy. It wants 8. So what it's going to say to oxygen is say, hey, can you loan me some electrons? Like, no, but I can share them with you. So any one of these pairs I'm going to take off, and I'm going to convert them into another bond. Okay, so these 2 electrons changed into a line because the line means they're now shared. Okay, so now let's count octets. 2, 4, 6, 8 for carbon. It's good. 2, 4, 6, 8 for oxygen. Now that is good. Okay, let's try carbon dioxide. That is the stuff that you breathe out. So take a deep breath, exhale. Most of what you're breathing out is carbon dioxide. But you've got some oxygen and some other things there too. This is the same stuff that plants take in. So plants take in carbon dioxide and convert it into oxygen, which is very lucky for us. All right, let's add up the valence electrons. I have 4 from the carbon and 2 times 6 from the oxygen. So I have 16 to deal with. Carbon is going to be in the middle. It's closer to the middle of the periodic table. All right, let's bond. Okay, so I have used up 4 and so now I have 12 electrons. All right, so where do I put those 12 electrons? I'm going to put them on the outside first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I've got all my electrons accounted for. Okay, let's check and see if there's an octet. Over here, 2, 4, 6, 8, it's good. 2, 4, 6, 8, it's good. Carbon is not. Carbon has only 4. So carbon says to the oxygen, hey, can you share some electrons with me? And it says, sure. So it's going to take one of these pairs, doesn't matter which one of the pairs, and we're going to convert it into a bonded pair. Okay, so carbon is happier. Now it has 6. And then it goes, well, hey, oxygen, that one shared with me. Can you share? And he's like, okay. So take any of these pairs away, and we will put this as a bonded pair. If you want to clean it up, you can leave it like this. I will understand it, but to clean it up, you would put like this. And so where I've X'd those out, I don't even put those. And this would be what the cleaned up structure would look like. All right, let's try one more. Okay, so we have this one. This is acetylene. Acetylene, if you've ever done any welding or seen metal welded together, this is a gas that reaches really hot, high temperatures. Okay, so I've got a total of 10 valence electrons. What I'd like you to do is pause the video right now and go ahead and try to work it out, and then come back and see how you're doing. It's really helpful if you just pause it and try it on your own. Okay, so let's check out our answer. So first of all, I'm going to bond everything together. I have 10 valence electrons. I've used up 2, 4, 6. Okay, so I have 4 left over. Where do I put these? I can't put them at the ends. I need to put them at the end, but hydrogen is too small. It can't take it. So I'm going to have to put them over here. Does it really matter where you put them? If you put 2 here and 2 here instead of on that one, it's okay. Now we're going to analyze it, and we're going to move electrons around. Now, this carbon has 2, 4, 6. This carbon has 2, 4, 6. So we're going to have to share some. So this carbon, we're going to X these out and convert them into a double bond. So now this one, 2, 4, 6, still has 6. But this one over here, 2, 4, 6, 8, this one is good. This one's not happy yet. So I'm going to take another pair of electrons, and I'm going to make another bond. So now I have a triple bond, and if I want to clean it up, I would write it like this. Okay? And now this carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8. This carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8. Hydrogens are good with 2. Okay, I hope that helps. What I would like you to do, I'm not going to grade this, but I will check it for you, is so that you get some extra practice. So I would like you to try these on your own. Let me check them, and we'll see how you do. Okay, so here I'd like you to do these 2 and these 2. So I hope this helps, and good luck.